Hello guys, welcome to 5D FPV channel. This video I would like to show you how to set a safety switch to control the fifth motor Servo, because there's a problem when the drone is not even armed. The fifth motor, the pusher motor, can spin like that, and it's going to be dangerous if there are props on it. There are two methods to control the fifth motor for more safety. The first method is in the special functions page. For me, I have created the SF2 line, the line 2 here, that is complete. The logic is that whenever my arm switch, which is the SA switch, is in down position, when it is in down position, the servo cannot spin. So the way I do it is here. Short press, enter, and then select the switch to be the preferred switch. In this case, the SA at down position, and then move on to the command, select override command, and then move on to the channel. Select the channel that you used to control the pusher motor. For me, it is channel 8, and then move on to the value, set -100, which means the idle slider. The slider at idle thrust -100 is at idle. So and once we click on the mark here, then it works. If I untick it, then the command deactivate and servo can spin. So do not forget to tick this mark. Yeah. Right, this is the first method. Let's move on to the next method. The next method is very simple. On the inputs page, you scroll down, find the channel that you use to control the pusher motor, which for me it is channel 8 that I named Boost, here BOOS, and I have set it to be the right slider light, and now it is working. Whenever the right slider is moving, then the thrust on the pusher motor is operating. And you just edit, long press and select edit, move down, and then select a switch. For me, it is the arm switch. Let's see, arm switch, and then it's good. This means that the channel 8 will only work if the SA switch is in the up position. If it is in the middle or down position, the fifth motor doesn't work. This is the down position. Now it is in the middle position. It doesn't work. It will only work when it is arm. Like that. And I can modify it more. Either for it to be able to spin without arming the drone. I will create a line after this, long press enter, and then select insert after. When you are doing this method, you should disconnect the drone first, because now the left slider also controls the servo. Yeah. Which is pretty messed up. So after you have disconnect the drone, disconnect the battery from the drone before continuing with this method, then we are at the second line here that we just create. Enter, long press enter, and then edit, and select the source to be the right slider, which is commanding the pusher motor, and then scroll down and select the switch, another position of the switch, or another switch you want the pusher motor to be on. For me, it is the SA switch at the middle position, and then enter. And this means that the pusher motor will work when the SA switch is in the middle or in the up position. I will show you. So now the SA switch is in the down position, and this pusher motor doesn't work. If the SA switch is in the middle position, here it is in the middle position, so the pusher motor can work like that. And if it is the SA switch is in the up position, everything works. So those are two methods that I know. Choose the one you want, and I hope you have safe flights in using pusher drone. See you next video. Bye bye.